Hello tubers, welcome to my channel. Let's get this learning started. What's going on tubers? I want to come out here and make a quick video and say thank you for those that have subscribed to my channel. And also want to say that I'm in awe that one of my most watched videos of the Mercedes-Benz is at 34K. Although the views does not match the subscribers, I'm still amazed of how my channel is doing within the first year. Although I haven't posted any videos lately, do know that I do have some videos, just haven't had the time to really sit down and edit them. But I also want to say that I am going to start incorporating some vlogging of my vehicles that I own, which is 5 of them. And I'm going to talk a little bit about each and every one of them to explain what I'm planning to do as far as repairs and start from there. So without further ado, here's my fleet of cars. My first vehicle right here, it is a 2007 Camry. I've owned this car brand new out of the showroom and I still have it to this day. And some of the things I definitely have to do in this car that I'm going to be doing here shortly because the weather's getting better is, one, I have to change the rims out because all 4 rims are bent in the inside. So when I drive it woggles, got to change the tires, got to change the rear shocks and the front shocks. And I'm going to show how to do the rear one specifically because the chair on the back has to come out and the back part has to come out. And also while I'm doing that video, I already have replaced the rear speakers. I'm going to show also how to do the rear speakers. Also the pump for the washer fluid, I have to replace that. So what I'm going to do that is I have to take out the front bumper. So I'm going to also be replacing my headlights because they're all faded out. So I'm going to show how to do that also. My next vehicle, which is my newest addition, it is a 2015 Ford F350 Super Duty diesel. And some of the things I definitely want to get in here is change the brake pads into dustless ones. I definitely want to get some rims. I already got the tint front and the front. I got put some non-skid here on your runners. I definitely want to change the headlights in here also. I might think considering also to get it wrapped into a matte black to protect it from the paint, and I'm going to show you why. No matter how many times you wash the vehicles. My next one, it is a 2007 Ford E350. This is my little van that I do my business in. Some of the things I've already done to this one is upgraded stereo, got some tint in the front, and got some aftermarket rims. Some of the things here I want to finish getting done is I want to spray the bumpers, the front and the back, into the kind of like the Lanix, but it's called a Raptor material. I want to change the exhaust into something nicer. Definitely the grill and your mirrors, definitely want to also spray that also. When I originally bought it, there was a dent up in here. Got that fixed up already. Just never got it painted. No point of it. It's my little business little van. And inside I definitely want to put some shelves in there and convert it into my tools and mechanic tools when I drive around. I definitely also want to change out in this one particular the calipers. I want to change the rotors. I want to change the struts, the shocks, and the suspension inside as far as your inner and outer tie rods. And then my most watched video on the YouTube channel, it is my 2012 Mercedes-Benz S550. And I'm still having a debate in here if I'm going to sell my car or not because I barely drive it, and I do have a video on this one, a full review video of owning it. Also have a video on the F350 that I did recently, and I'll be launching those here shortly. But if I decide to keep this vehicle, one of the things I want to get done is I definitely want to do the gray matte on it. I might change the rims again. I want to change the calipers to black, and I want to definitely change the rotors and brake pads, which I'll be showing you that also. And I believe that's pretty much it for this car, what I'm planning to do on this Benz. And then for my other vehicle that I have, my 5th and last final vehicle, which I am planning to sell here in the next few months. I have to do some upgrades here. It is my 2008 Dodge Ram 1500. And this vehicle, I've owned it for I want to say maybe 8 years roughly, give or take. But you can see already, no matter how many times I washed it professionally, I washed it myself, detailed it. Look at this, all the paint started fading out. All the clear coat came off and the paint started getting out terrible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a video completely of how to replace the headlights, how to get this car repainted. I'm gonna take it to a professional shop. I got some other stuff I want to get done to make it ready to sell and make a profitable income out of this vehicle. And that's pretty much it for right now. Again, thanks for those that have subscribed to my channel. And if you are a viewer and haven't subscribed, subscribe, because one day it might be something in there that you might see. And again, thank you for the positive comments that I get from some subscribers or from non-subscribers. I always make it a point to reply back, and I really appreciate it. And this is what motivates me to keep going with this channel, because my whole vision when I first started doing this was to try to show and educate and give the confidence for anyone to be able to grab a wrench and be able to work on their vehicles. Because let's face it, we are in a pandemic right now, or even before the pandemic. We have an issue where certain individuals go to a shop or dealership and get ripped off. And the whole purpose, again, for me making these videos is to show and educate and give the confidence for you to be able to work on your cars. I know in my page, I talked about also trying to do home improvements. It is very difficult for me at this point right now to try to make videos of how to do homes. Some homeowners don't like that. Cameras in there, or some of the homes are not the type of homes that I want to just put out there on blast how some individuals live. But if you want to see some of my work and what I do, you can go to my Instagram and go to bearded_handyman. Bearded_handyman. You can see most of my work that I do in interior homes. Other than that, again, thanks for watching, and thanks for those that have subscribed and those that have watched my videos. Appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in. If you like my content, subscribe below and follow me on my journey as I show you how to do car repairs and home repairs.